Dear students, today in this video I am going to discuss about foreign investment. Due to the process of globalization, foreign investment became an important component. Because of a relatively controlled and closed economy, excessive foreign exchange needs of Indian economy were met by borrowings from international organizations and foreign governments. As there were several controls on foreign investments, we had to buy more goods and technology from abroad, for which we needed foreign exchange. However, after 1991, India allowed direct investment in certain areas in increased proportion. Now, talking about types of foreign investment, so foreign capital comes in two ways. First one is foreign institutional investment, which is also known to be FII, and next one is foreign direct investment, which is also known to be FDI. Let's now talk about foreign institutional investment, FII. Some foreign companies do not invest in plant and machinery in other countries, say India. That means these are those companies which do not directly invest in plants and machineries. They invest funds in financial institutions and bond, stock, or share markets in another country. So, what these companies do? They invest their funds through stock markets, bond markets, and in this way they buy such stocks from bond or share markets in that country. Such investment is called foreign institutional investment. That means here these investors, they invest in the shares or bonds of a particular company in another country. In India, they can invest only up to a limit specified by rules, and they do not have any direct stake in management of the home company. That means here capital comes to the home country through the stock market. This type of investment comes to the home country in a very short span of time, and it can also leave the home country in an equally short span of time, and thus this is considered to be risky as well as unstable kind of foreign capital. Now talking about the next type, that is foreign direct investment or FDI. So when the home country invites capital by allowing foreign investors or companies to produce and sell directly in India, such investment is called foreign direct investment. That means here companies will come and establish their own business, will invest their own money, will have their own plants and machinery. They are going to produce goods and services and then they are going to sell it in the market. Therefore, this type of investment is said to be foreign direct investment. In FDI, foreign companies directly set up their business in India by constructing their plants, bringing in technology and producing, or even by collaborating with Indian companies to do so. Many times this may also happen that these foreign companies may have a business along with some Indian companies. Now talking about nature of FDI. So first one, it is a stable form of investment because it is a physical establishment, because these companies have directly made an investment in plants and machinery. So therefore we may say that it is a stable form of investment. Unlike FII, this is a stable form of investment. Next one is it brings machines, materials and wealth to the home country. So they invest and they bring their own machinery as well as materials and wealth for purpose of doing business. It brings new technology to the country. It also brings along with itself the latest and modern technology. And lastly, it brings a different work culture along with it. So here these companies also have introduced their own way of working, and therefore it is said that they also bring a different kind of work culture along with them. Thank you, students.